Thank you, Teacher Joy. You may now be seated as we all listen to this year's salutatorian, Jericho Villanueva, for the opening remarks. Let's give him a round of applause.
To our guest speaker, Professor Soriano, to our respected principal, Madam Teresita Ramos, to our assistant principal, Teacher Lisa C. Guzmani, to our administrators, Sir Victor Aguilar and Sir Rolando Ramos, to our beloved teachers and staff, to my fellow graduates, to our loving parents, guardians, guests, and friends. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the day of recognition. First, to everyone who stood as parents for our cause. The pains and sacrifices cannot be compared to the honors that we are going to witness today. In behalf of my fellow graduates, it is our desire to label our pride and self-esteem to show gratitude. We salute you with all pride. To our beloved principal, our teachers, administrators, and school staff, thank you for being there. Your selflessness lead us to where we are now. We are strangers, but we spent quality time that made us able to carry through. Your sacrifices will serve as powerful guide as we move forward for our next level of learning. Until the time we become equal citizens of our homeland, ang Pilipinas. To my classmates and fellow graduates, we are on this pedestal to bring pride and honor to them who labored in our behalf. We will miss the lasting memories that we shared together. We will miss the moments that we wore our best smile. We will miss the tears, the pains, and the funniest moments that we had. Above all, we will miss our beloved teachers who stood up as our second parents in this world. Moving forward, let us go to our path in sincerity and integrity, and make sure we leave a trail on the path where we came. Finally, I urge you, my fellow graduates of 2013, to take pride, shine together with your loved ones, in tears, in laughter, as we unite our hearts into this big celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, and friends, welcome to our graduation ceremonies.
Thank you very much, Jericho. To introduce our distinguished guest speaker, may I call on Mrs.